So the left toggle, or the one on the inside, if it pushes up, that is turning the machine on, and down is going to turn the machine off. So when we're on, if you can see the number 1 and the word indoor at the bottom, that means we're in profile 1, and that's going to be our slowest speed. If we toggle up on the same one, we're going to be in profile 2, and it says normal underneath. That's going to be a little bit faster. And if we toggle up again, we're going to get a picture of the seat, and that's going to have us into our seat functions. We're not going to use that one for now. We're going to use the buttons down in the bottom.
And if you're in that one by mistake, how do you get out of it?
We toggle up one more time, and it's going to get us back to the indoor mode.
Okay.
Okay. And then can you see if you can see the one yellow bar, that is the speed within the speed. So in profile 1, you have one yellow bar showing, so that means you're as slow as you can go in indoor 1. With the right toggle, if you toggle up once, we will add one more yellow bar, and we'll go a little bit faster. And you can, there's actually 5 in there, but you'll just be staying in probably 1, 2, and 3. And if we toggle down, then we'll lose a bar as we go all the way down to number 1. And if you're all the way down, I don't know if you'll be able to hear this on the iPad, but it makes a different noise. So it kind of makes a little honk at you.
Oh, okay. So
if you can't do it anymore.
right. So that means you're at the bottom.
That means you're
And does it matter if you're in 1 or 2 for when you're driving inside? Just a little bit different speed?
Just a little bit different speed, yeah.
Okay.
So one is probably the better for indoor, and as you get a little more used to driving, then number 2 is probably best for outdoor or a little bit wider spaces. So then the inside button here, the blue button at the bottom of the joystick on the left side, if you press and hold that, that is going to raise and lower your foot plate. So your foot plate's going to go to the floor so that you would be able to stand on your foot plates. From there, if you come back here, you can see that we've got a red light on the 2 elevator and tilt. That means we're not going to be able to drive because our foot plates are on the floor, and we don't want to wreck your floor or the machine. So then we press and hold that again, and it's going to go the other way and come all the way back up. And we want to wait until the mechanism stops, because I've got it set so that your feet are set for the top of the range.
So Jeff, when it's red, will it allow you to drive?
You can't drive when it's red.
Okay, good.
You will drive slower if it's yellow.
Okay. Good.
So the green buttons at the side there.
So the green buttons here.
Sorry, I was just trying to shut the curtain.
So the green buttons here. So the one on the left is going to be your seat elevator. So the whole seat is going to raise and lower. The second set of buttons is going to be your tilt. So the whole chair is going to tilt back, your seat and backrest at the same time. The third row of buttons is going to be your recline. So just the backrest is going to move backwards. And then the fourth buttons are for your elevating leg rests. So if you want your feet to be further out in front of you, you'll push the top one. If you want them to be closer to you, you'll push the back one.
So when the lights are all green, you can drive. If any of them are red, you can't drive, and you have to change that button.
Yes.
Okay.
And if any of them are yellow, you're going to drive in a slower position. Just because it's feeling as though you're on the verge of unsafe.
And then the toggle is like the gas pedal.
And then this is, what they refer to as a proportional joystick. So if you just move it a little bit, the chair will just creep forward, and if you move it more, then you'll go faster.
Okay, Jeff, I think that's...
And then just the last button,
oh, right.
the one on the right at the bottom, the blue button, if we press and hold that, that's our anterior tilt. So all of the actuators are going to work together and get you up into that
standing position.
Half standing position.
Great, thanks, Jeff.